Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and detach your Joy-Con controllers from your Nintendo Switch. So I just have it docked right now because I like using it on my TV. But it can be difficult the first time if you're trying to detach this and use the Joy-Cons for the first time. So if you look on the back of the Nintendo Switch, you're going to see a small black button. You may think this is just a button you can press when you're playing the game, but this is actually to detach the controllers. So right here you can see the triggers. Press this button down and then lift up. Just like that. It's very simple. Press the black one down, lift up, and it will be disconnected. Then you should be able to use your Joy-Con controllers with your Nintendo Switch when it's undocked or it's docked. So you can decide how to use it now. Then you can see the little light right here. This is indication is connected, and you can start using it now. But hopefully this quick little video helped you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.